TrueClot Wound Packing Task Trainers are essential tools for realistic and cost-effective training in hemorrhage control techniques, particularly wound packing and the application of advanced haemostatic dressings. Designed to replicate real-life injury scenarios, these trainers enhance the preparation of medical personnel and first responders. Each trainer features lifelike external anatomy with concealed bleed points. Available in two wound types, the laceration or stab wound versions simulate deep cuts or puncture injuries, and the large caliber gunshot wound simulates simulated bone structure, allowing the trainee to practice the critical skill of packing to the bone. Crafted from sturdy silicone, these trainers are designed for repeated use, enduring thousands of training sessions without the need for batteries or external power sources. Equipped with reinforced tubing systems and a one-way valve, the trainers facilitate the flow of TrueClot Blood Simulant, providing dynamic and realistic bleeding experiences. Each trainer comes with a pack of TrueClot Blood Simulant concentrate and 5 packs of 4-foot TrueClot Simulated Haemostatic Gauze, offering comprehensive setup for immediate training. Incorporating the TrueClot Wound Packing Task Trainers into training programs provides a hands-on, realistic approach to mastering bleeding control techniques, therefore enhancing the confidence and competence of those tasked with emergency medical care. For more information and to buy TrueClot, please contact us.